kokwa.
It is.
Ito is Rosella tea.
What's that?
Masyadong matamis to. Pero honey ang kanya, lemongrass tea.
Daddy, that's orange.
Yeah.
Can I try orange?
No, this not good for you. That is only for you.
Daddy, can I have a tissue because it's
Ginger.
so hot? This one. Ow, ow, ow.
Ginger nila. Okay lang.
Daddy.
Mangosteen.
Ah, Daddy. It's so hot. Ah. It's already hot.
Durian.
Daddy.
Mabango.
Daddy, tissue.
Bali kokwa. Eh?
I want
Durian.
tissue.
Durian. Bali kokwa. This one. I want to taste.
No. That's mine. If you try it.
Yeah, this one. You want to buy this one for you? This good.
Daddy,
Bali
can I
kokwa.
have a tissue?
I don't have tissue anymore. Oh, this one. You open it. Yan is kwan yan. Avocado. I know. Bali kokwa. Bali mochaccino.
Ay, masarap.
I told you.
Avocado.
Ito, sa gilid.
Bali coconut.
Oh, sarap.
Siyempre, coconut eh. Tapos, vanilla.
Uy, ice cream.
Hindi ko na alam kung nasan yung masarap.
Binili natin. Ito ginger. Of course, ginger. Ginseng. I like this.
Ano to? Parang ano to? Yung
Ano yung number 3? 1, 2, 3.
coffee sa Malaysia.
Oo, ganun. Yan nga yung sinasabi kong coffee.
Daddy.
Ito, avocado. Alam mo yung tinapay na kwat.
Na.
Itong avocado nila. Parang hindi avocado. Parang yung tinapay na
Parang gamot to. Ano to?
sama kinuha.
Dito.
Sa katabihan ng
Parang gamot.
durian.
Ah, kaya pala.
Durian.
After tea.
Ito avocado. Meron yung masarap na kinuha. Ito.
Meron ba lang yung bisita?
Girl.
No, that one, I can buy this for you, okay?
Yeah,
Then later
yeah,
on,
yeah, yeah, yeah,
you
Tapos
can
itong
have
ano, hindi pa natin na main dish.
it. Ayun.
Halo muna natin.
At least yan, walang asukal daw yan. Tikman mo rin. Ay, tikman. Man, adapt mo lang ito.